since I was younger, I have always been interested in investments and company investing and making money through dividends and the interesting stuff, really. And last year, I finally took the plunge and made my first investment into the company called Curve. Now, Curve is a company, this isn't sponsored. Curve is a company where you upload all of your bank cards and your credit cards onto one card. You only have to carry one card about, and that's it. You don't have to worry. You can swap it on the app, which card you're going to use at what times, and it's great. And because I'm an investor, I finally, after 9-10 months, I finally received my investor card, which I think is pretty cool. It's the first ever company I invested in, and I do think it could be the future. Now, going on from there, JD Wetherspoons has always taken my fancy. I don't know why. I've always been intrigued in investing in it. Tim Martin has something about him, and actually I've never invested into Wetherspoons. At one point I was going to, and then the shares went up. I mean, if I did and sold now, I'd be a bit better off. But that's besides the point, because I actually do have shares in other companies. One of the companies is Barclays Bank. I own 17.5 shares in them. It's not a lot, and the shares aren't worth a lot. But since I've owned them, they have gone up a considerable amount for the amount I bought them for. But going on from there, I also have investments in American Airlines. I have investments in the National Grid. As well as that, I also do some Forex trading. I have a share in the company called Under Armour, as well as a company, I believe it's called Powerhouse. I own quite a few shares in them. They're a very small company, and it's about going green and energy efficiency. My shares have gone up considerably since I first invested in them. Yes, the shares aren't worth a lot, but they're penny stocks. It's a great start. Now, of course, this YouTube channel is my financial portfolio, and it wouldn't be finance without me talking about the numbers and how much profit I've made. So, yeah, I'll talk about it. In the last week alone, from the shares I have in the very few companies that I'm part of, I have made £50 profit. It's not a lot, it's not. But it adds up. And yes, I've only started in penny stocks and shares, but it's a great start. I'm only 21 years old, and maybe one day I'll be willing to buy shares into Tesla. Something like that. Actually, maybe Tesla's out the window. Tesla's gone up quite a bit. If I invested in them a couple of years ago, it'd be a whole different ballgame. But why invest? Why invest into companies? Well, I think it's a great way of making money. Have you not heard of Warren Buffett for starters? He's absolutely blinding, I believe. You see so many people making money off shares, and actually, it's a great way to understand money, and it's a great way to understand profit and loss and learning. And that brings me on to my next point. Now, I absolutely adore knowledge. Knowledge is amazing. I'd rather learn than get someone to do it for me. Try and failing is my middle name. It's my game. You know, I love to fail and I love to learn from my mistakes. It's a great experience to do. Now, if I can invest into you guys, I would. As, of course, this is an investment video, and this video is far from sponsored. I have like 50 subscribers on this channel right now. But I am going to make an investment into you guys. The company Curve I have invested in fact, there's a link down below to them. If you join Curve, once you've received your Curve card and you have made a purchase on it, you get a free £5. And what are you going to do with that £5? How about you invest it? Because also down below is an investment link to Trading 212, a website that I use for Forex trading and my shares. So how about you go and invest that £5 into Trading 212, use the link to Trading 212 below, and you get a free share worth up to $100 US or 100 Great British pounds. Or just a free one to start you off. I think that's pretty good. So if you want a free £5 to start off with and a free share, both links are down below. But obviously the rule is if you make money, we split, right? No. I would love to see you guys succeed. I would love to see myself succeed maybe one day. But if I could watch other people succeed, then that's great. Building up an investment portfolio is one of the best things you guys could do. Yes, you, watching this video right now. And if you've got this far in the video, then smash the like button until it turns blue to help this channel out in the YouTube algorithm. And if you are not subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button, because that will help my channel out immensely. You help my channel out, I'll give you a free £5 from Curve and a free share in a company. How about that? Yeah? Cool. Links down in the description below. Now, as we're in this part of the video, you might as well tell me where you guys are from, because I'd really like to know in the comments below. And what company would you love to invest in? See, we've all got our favourite businesses. Maybe yours is Nike, Adidas, Sports Direct, H&M. I don't know. You tell me. If you had the money, you know, no restrictions, what company would you like to invest in? Tell me down in the comments below. And I want to see what you guys would love to invest in. Maybe we could do a topic, a video, a subject on great companies to invest in. Of course, this is just a starter video into investing, as I'm very, very, very new into the investment lifestyle, and do you know what? I'm enjoying it. I do a lot more Forex at the moment, which of course will be another video in itself. Don't worry about that. We will go into Forex and we'll go into other stuff, and the profits I'm making aren't amazing. You know, you look at some people and they make, you know, 120 odd million pounds monthly from Coca-Cola or something stupid like that. No, that's not me. I'm a 21-year-old who's making a few £100s a week if I'm lucky. Do you know what? Making £10 a week on top of my current wages is great. See, I'm not telling you how to invest, but if you could invest your money correctly, then you could be onto a winner. Investing is a great way to start. Putting your money into the stock markets, putting it into an S&P 500, a Roth IRA, anything like that, gives you better interest than your money sitting in a bank account. So remember that. You see, I've got savings in a bank account. Who doesn't? I mean, what's mine, like 1.2% APR, 1.2% growth per year. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. Whereas in the stock markets, I could put that money in and maybe double it in a couple of weeks if it all goes well. Maybe that's something for you guys to think about. So if you're interested in investments, then there's a link to Trading 212. There's a link to the company Curve, which I invested into last year. If you want a free £5 from there, and if you want a free share into a company, down in the description below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more videos, more financial related videos, more investment related videos, because I invest in different companies each week. If you'd like an updated one next week or even the week after, then please let me know. And I'm sure I've missed some things I've invested in, and I'm sure I have missed some amazing points. So we'll probably make a part 2 to this. Yeah? Just for you. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you have smashed that like button until it turns blue, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're aiming for 100 subscribers by July. Why not? Let's try and hit 100 subscribers by Canada Day, July the 1st. But until then, thank you for watching, and I shall see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.